A chain of custody is a critical legal document used to track the possession, handling, and location of samples from the time they are collected until they are analyzed and subsequently disposed of. It ensures the integrity and reliability of the sample by documenting every step of its journey. Proper chain of custody procedures are essential in maintaining the evidential value of samples, particularly in legal, forensic, and environmental contexts. Incorrectly filled out chains of custody present significant risks to the proper analysis of samples. Errors in documentation can lead to compromised sample integrity, necessitate additional work for all involved parties, and potentially incur higher costs due to wasted time and the need for resampling. Ensuring accuracy in a chain of custody documentation is therefore crucial for maintaining sample integrity, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. To ensure the integrity of the sample and its usability for environmental compliance, the chain of custody must include proper and full documentation of the following elements: the identification of the client from whom the sample is being collected and analyzed. Proper client identification ensures that the results are reported to the correct entity and that any specific client requirements are met. Details of who the results should be reported to, including contact information and any specific reporting requirements, such as the reporting level or regulatory programs that the data are to be reported for. If the samples are for drinking water compliance, please note that clearly and include a potable water system ID if applicable. Clear reporting instructions ensure that the analysis results are delivered to the required format and properly to the appropriate party. The location where the sample was collected must be reported, as well as the state of origin. This helps establish the environmental context and relevance of the sample, which can be crucial for compliance purposes. Each sample must be uniquely identified to avoid any mix-up or confusion with other samples. This typically includes a unique identifier or code. Accurate identification ensures that the sample can be precisely traced throughout its life cycle. The specific date and time the sample was collected. Knowing the collection date and time is essential for understanding the sample's history, especially with regards to hold time. The time of collection can be crucial in instances where the sample's characteristics may change over time or analytes requested are considered short hold. The full name of the individual who collected the sample. Identifying the collector ensures accountability and allows for any necessary follow-up regarding the sample collection process. The container type can be crucial with regards to preserving the samples from degradation or contamination. The method used to preserve the sample to maintain its integrity until analysis. Proper preservation is vital to prevent degradation or contamination of the sample. A clear description of the sample type regarding matrix, such as water or soil, as well as the sampling method, such as a grab or a composite sample. Different types of samples may require different handling and analysis techniques. A detailed description of the specific analyses or tests requested for the sample. Clearly specifying the requested analyses ensures that the sample is processed according to the necessary protocols and that the relevant data is obtained. Any special remarks or notes that apply to the sample, such as observed conditions during collection or specific instructions for handling. Special remarks can provide additional context or instructions that are important for the sample's analysis and interpretation. Documentation of who relinquished the sample and who accepted it, including their names, signature, and date and time of the transfer. This ensures a continuous and verifiable chain of custody by recording each transfer of the sample, preventing unauthorized handling or tampering. Please include any financial billing information necessary. There is a location for the billing contact information as well as a spot for the purchase order and quote number. Please note that we have provided a PACE lab location field at the top of the chain of custody. The purpose of the field is for our clients to communicate which PACE lab is performing the analytical testing in case you choose to drop the sample off at another convenient location. Maintaining a rigorous chain of custody is essential for ensuring the samples remain uncontaminated, identifiable, and reliable from the point of collection through to analysis and possible presentation in a legal setting. By adhering to the outlined requirements, we can ensure that the integrity of the sample is upheld, thereby supporting the validity of the findings and conclusions drawn from it. Thank you for being a valued PACE partner and helping us ensure we provide the best service possible.